Okay, Bill, tell me about your fine truck here.
It is a 1953 International R-190. I bought it about 3 years ago at a truck show in Salem, Oregon. I had never seen one with a body as straight and as rust-free as that one. At the time, I was going to put it on a roll-off chassis like I did with the old KB8. And then I got some illness, and that kind of put the kibosh to all that. But it's the original inline 6-cylinder. I think they called the motor a Blue Diamond, and has a 5-speed main transmission. And, well, that used to work.
Try the other side.
Well, it worked a few days ago. What the hell?
There it goes.
I don't know what I was doing, but something. It was originally a 6-volt truck. We put a 12-volt alternator on it and started just because they turned so slowly. Ended up, carburetor wasn't working very well. It was not idle. We fixed that. Did a little minor tune-up on it. And then my sons used it in their little TV show.
Now, what TV show is that now?
It's called Full Custom Garage. And it's on a TV network called MAV, M-A-V. And it's also on Motor Trend. Kind of an interesting show. I like it. So they took the truck, made a whole new front bumper for it, fabricated that, made a little visor for it, made the bed. It has a 20-ton hydraulic-driven winch on the back. Then I bought some super single wheels for the back and Alcoas for the front. It's just a cute little truck, but I don't have a need for it now, and I'm not gonna put it on a roll-off like I was. Great big tow hitch on it, a receiver that will tow anything. Runs good, stops good, starts good, does everything. It's a big old heavy-duty truck. This tilts down. You want to tailgate, and then it is changed where it stops. Other than that, I don't know much about it. It's pretty darn original. The speedometer is broken, so I don't have any idea how many miles is on it.
Oh, you also have airbags on it, you said.
I did. I put, when they did it, they took out some of the spring pack in the front, and it got too close to the stoppers on it, and it just rode too hard. So we put bags on the front where you can either raise it or lower it. There it goes up. Not a great deal, but then here's down. Just picks up the ride a little bit better.
Why don't you hop in there and start it up? Will you mind?
No. We rewired most of it and put in 12 volt everywhere, changed bulbs. welcome. I appreciate you coming to do it and make somebody a great truck.